Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
At the core, Google Workspace is the same service as G Suite. It's the culmination of several changes Google made throughout 2020. The separate tools have deeper integration with each other. Rather than jump between Gmail, Docs, Meet, etc., everything is available in one central spot.
Let's help you make your mark.
Google Workspace is a cloud-based productivity suite provided by Google. It includes Gmail, the business mailbox interface. Therefore, Google Workspace is also known as the business version of Gmail, Company Gmail, Gmail for Business, or Google Business Email to many people.
Take our lead.
As of October 2020, Google has officially rebranded G Suite into Workspace, and we'll be sharing all the important details in this post. Regardless of whether you're a G Suite customer or just a curious onlooker, you may be wondering what this new product means for Google's most popular apps.
Let's help you make your mark.
Your G Suite Enterprise subscription will be automatically migrated to Google Workspace Enterprise Plus. We'll be sharing additional information over the coming months about the transition from your current G Suite subscription to one of the new additions.
Take our lead.
Classroom is a product in Google Workspace for education, which also includes Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. Classroom works with Google Workspace for education so that instructors and students can communicate easily, create classes, distribute work, and stay organized. Learn more about Classroom.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.